Shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. Ang kanta ay galing kay Gatie. The title of the song is Million Miles Apart. These are strumming version how to play this song guys. 4 chords for the whole song. We have a simple strumming pattern. For start again, sa mga Filipino viewers, for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghanap ulit ng manipis na string, check nyo lang mga link sa baba guys ha. Manipis na string at lemon oil pampakinis ng fretboard. Ang mga link ng Shopee link nasa description ng video na ito. Let's start guys, let's start with the chords and we'll follow the string pattern, okay? These are the chords, 4 chords for the entire song. The first chord, show it first. Sunrise, strumming pattern, na, 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 na. So, E flat minor, same position of fingers of B minor, but we'll get or we will play this chord at the 6th fret. 6th fret guys, 5th, 6th, same position of the fingers of a B minor chord but at the 6th fret, okay? The second chord is C sharp, same position of B but we'll play at the 4th fret, okay? Again E flat minor, then C sharp, then the third chord is F sharp, 2nd fret, F sharp, and then the last chord is B. Okay, E flat minor, C sharp, F sharp, and the last chord is B. So, and for string pattern, this string pattern, please follow me. Down, down, up, down, up. We need the right timing guys. Timing ating kailangan. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, let's play. Sunrise, na, 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 na. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then F sharp, down, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, okay? Down, down, up, down, up. Sunrise, na 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 na, E flat, C sharp, na 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 na, F sharp, na 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 na, so and B, okay? So that is the chords and string pattern. There's no capo and string version of how to play this strumming and no capo guys. At ulit sa mga naghanap ulit ng manipis na string for my Filipino viewers, check lang ang link sa baba. Manipis na string, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice at lemon oil papagkit ng fretboard. Check ang mga link sa description. Hanggang dito muna video at shoutout at see you sa mga next na uploads guys. Bye. Sunrise.